We are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up RBDX stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bearish red candle working its way down, but also can be an area of support. If so, market can be identifying that first, second, price action will be the third leg, which is a support. If we receive a bullish green candle, market could push up for that W. If not, overall, imagine first leg coming up this way, second leg, third leg, get the engulfment pattern to the second to last candle or third to last candle, market closes out. You'll see that M pattern drop down, follow up with a retest. Headed down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle, could be working its way up. If so, market can be coming from a first leg, second leg, third leg, and we can see an engulfment pattern happening. Market can push up for that W for the fourth leg. Now if market coming down, price action highs, price action lows. So we have a midpoint in the middle, so price can be tagging that area of that SR line we just created. If so, price is coming from the first leg, second leg, third leg, overall, fourth leg, retest. Market's coming down from an overall pattern of a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, head and shoulders pattern. Headed down to the daily time frame, price action on the daily time frame, huge bullish green engulfment pattern. Look like it's engulfing the previous 10 candles in the market. If it follows up with a second bearish candle in green, market could be working its way up to the next level. So if price does break this with a falling bullish red candle, we are looking for a price to break, eventually come back to retest to work its way up further. And if price does work its way down, price will be tagging this area here. So think about it as a first leg, second leg, third leg. If we do receive an engulfment pattern or a pattern in this area, is going to identify the market's going to drop, and definitely receive the engulfment of the price action candle. Market's coming down from a first, second, third, fourth leg, double bottom, double top, M pattern. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. Price action on the 4-hour time frame is a doji. Market's indecisive. We want to wait for the next candle to form to close out below above the doji. So if we get the close out above, we can see that market's going to work its way up for that structure. First leg, second leg, third leg, breakout, fourth leg, retest. Market's working its way up for that elevation incline. Now that market does work its way down from this area, if we do receive a pattern of a bearish red candle after price action doji, and it closes out below this area here of that doji, market is identifying overall first, second, third, receive that engulfment bearish red candle, market closes out for that M pattern, double top. Headed down to the 3-hour time frame, price actions, a doji is within the second to last candle. Okay, so still waiting for the next candle to identify itself for that market to push up or push down. It can be an area of support. So second last candle could be an area tagging that area of support. Price action as well, side by side with the price action second last candle. So it's consolidation. Okay, so market broke up, came back down, and just worked its way sideways. Still looking for an engulfment pattern to the upside or downside. If we do receive a green bullish candle that works way up, we can see that market, what it did was break, retest, and market's working its way up. If it does break down, we're looking for the break retest for market to identify that M pattern. Headed down to the 2-hour time frame. Price action, second to last candle are within each other consolidation. You want to see price action candle engulf the second to last candle to the upside downside to see that market's what's going to do. So what happened is fourth to last candle broke up. Second last candle is the retest. Price action consolidated sideways. Still waiting for the pattern. So it's just identifying so far a double bottom. Price action second last candle tagged that area at that bottom twice. Headed down to the 1. Same as well. Price action second last candle side by side consolidation. Prices are within each other. Candles are within each other. Still waiting for the breakout to the top side or downside. Second last candle did spike the area of this support SR line, and then prices picked up just a little bit for an incline, but still side by side with the consolidation. Still waiting for engulfment pattern to close out above or below the second last candle on the 1-hour time frame. Price action on the 45-minute time frame is a doji within the second last candle, so it's still identifying the same thing side by side. Price identifying a double bottom. Headed down to the 30. Alright, so third to last candle spiked down to that area of support. Second last candle pushed up for the second leg. Price action currently bearish red candle. It can be the third leg, and if we receive an engulfment pattern, price going to come up from that fourth leg. And if not, we can receive that market break in that area, as we can see with the third to last candle. Second last candle is a push up, coming back for the retest. If we receive an engulfing pattern, this may engulf the second last candle and third to last candle, market spike down for a break and retest. Headed down to the 15-minute time frame. Prices within each other. It's a doji, still waiting for that engulfing pattern, so you can identify his worker's way up first, second, third. Identify that W, worker's way up. If not, still same as well, looking for that break, retest, and market follow through and push down if we receive a bearish red candle within the area of the price action in second last candle. And the market headed down to the 5-minute time frame. Price actions within each other with the price second, third, fourth, and fifth. So you want to see price action break above the fourth or fifth to last candle, maybe body and wick for that market, identify a pattern that's going to push that market up. If so, maybe looking for the overall first, second, multiple spike downs with this third leg, overall 3 so far, and the market pushes up for that W. And we can still follow up with that market doing that overall break of that area, retest, looking for an engulfment pattern to identify that market's going to push down from a break and retest. Headed down to a 3-minute time frame. Same as well, price action still in this tight area consolidation between price action midpoint and near the low. Headed down to a 1-minute time frame. Same as well, market is consolidating within this, still waiting for the breakout. Price action is engulfing the second last candle, okay, which is a doji. It can close out and push that market up, but we don't know how far this market is going to push up. Maybe up to this area of resistance. If not, that market can be just tagging that area, that midpoint, and working its way down. Still need more time to follow through. Very important information. Please study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy. Okay, guys. This is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. RDBX stock.